Let's learn with e-learning, connecting school to your home. Today the topic is percentages, how to express a number into a percentage. The question is Sam scored 64 marks out of 80. What percentage is it? For this we have a formula and the formula is part divided by whole multiplied by 100. For this question we can write the formula like marks obtained divided by total marks multiplied by 100. Let's apply the formula on a question. Sam scored 64 marks out of 80. So I will write 80 here and I will multiply it by 100. Now this 0 will cut this 0 and 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. There is a multiplication sign, so I will multiply 8 by 10 and it will give me 80%. So how much Sam scored? Sam scored 80%. Let's do one more question. In a basket of eggs, 3 out of 12 are broken. What percentage is broken? We will use the same formula, a part out of whole. 3 is the part out of whole. Whole is 12. Multiply by 100. We will do cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now we will see if we can cancel 4 and 100. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and from 10 2 will be transferred here. Where 20 comes in the table of 4? At 5. So we can cancel 100 by 4 at 25. What percentage is broken? 25% is broken. Okay kids, I know that in this pandemic you are in trouble, so I'm making free videos for you. Send me a picture of your maths question and I will make a free solution video for you. And I will upload it here on my channel. Here's my contact number. It is 092-321-493-5963. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if the video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.